What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's early in the morning right now. As you guys can see, my voice is a little raspy, but don't mind my voice, okay? So I know you read that title in that beautiful thumbnails. You know, I had to wake up early for this one, okay? So I seen the video on YouTube, and I'm like, oh my gosh, let me give it a try. I wonder how my baby's going to act, okay? Because you know, when men are sleeping, they usually be so grumpy and they don't want you to mess with their sleep, okay? So basically, I seen it and I'm like, I'm going to give it a try. So my baby's still sleeping in the room, and right now I'm just in the living room. You know, I had to come and do my intro. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down below Team Nia, because I know we haven't drop a video. Probably we're not that consistent. We're trying, okay, just bear with us. But subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Smash that like button and comment down below. Timnia, let's get it, let's go. Pop it, lock it, throw it, ah, pop, 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 pop. Whop it, low.
Mama, is that you? Babe. 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 Babe, what's wrong? Babe, what's wrong? What time is it? Baby. Baby, wake up. Mama, wake up. Mama, you know I see you, right? You want some? Baby, you want some?
Oh!
Mama, you want it?
He needs some
Babe.
milk.
Mama, you want some? I know you. Come on, man. You ain't gotta do all that. Baby, I'm ready. Mama, I'm ready. Babe, I see it. Baby, I see it, babe. I see that ass, babe. Come on. Mama. Baby, I'm up. Babe, I'm up. Mama, I'm up. Baby, get up, babe. I see your ass. Babe, get up. Am I fucking dreaming or something? Am I dreaming? Babe? Babe, talk to me. Babe, get your ass up. I see that ass. I see what you was doing. I guess I'm dreaming. I'm dreaming. Fuck. Yeah, I see it, mama. I see you. I know I wasn't dreaming. I know damn well I wasn't dreaming. That was you. That was you. What's up with you? What's up with you, mama? Babe. Babe. Now you fucking sleeping? Come on, man. I know your ass not sleeping. I know your ass not sleeping. Get your ass up. Get up, mama. Babe, get up. Mama, get up. I know damn well you ain't sleeping, girl. Get your ass up. Mama, get your ass up. Babe, I see it, babe. Babe, stop messing up with me. Mama, are you still sleeping? Babe, are you sleeping? You sleeping? I know you ain't dead. Baby, come on. Babe! I'm going to get me some Starbucks. I'm gonna wake up anyway. I'm going to get me some food. Fuck. What time is it? Oh shit, it's still early. Yeah, go mama, go mama. Big mama, babe. Hey, why you doing me like this? What the fuck did I do? Did I'm enjoying it? Babe, get your ass up. I see it, babe. Does it grow at night? That shit getting big. Get your ass up. I see it. I saw everything, girl. Oh yeah, I'm ready to watch. Come on, do it. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh, girl. Yeah, girl. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, why you laughing? Come on.
What? Not you giving me a whole beat.
Oh.
Aren't you supposed to be sleeping?
Hey, you got me up.
Did I wake you up?
Yeah, you wake me up. What was that? You want me?
What?
I
Who
know,
says that?
I know you. Come here. Come on, baby. Stop playing with me.
You haven't ate though. You're not hungry?
I don't care. I don't care.
What?
What you want?
Nothing.
You want me? Stop playing. Stop playing with me.
No!
Stop playing.
I was trying to wake you up with a good morning.
Good morning. That was so good. And I'm up now.
You up?
What's up with you?
Nothing.
What you mean nothing? Stop playing with me. Come on.
Come on, let's go back to sleep.
Huh?
It was just a little tease. I wanted to wake
You
you
don't
up.
see what time is it, girl? What you mean go back to sleep?
Come on, let's go.
It's time for us. Mama, I'm not
Let
going.
me tuck you in.
Hell no, I ain't no damn baby. Fuck on with you, mama.
Let me tuck you in.
Tuck me in? No.
When I'm sleepy. Like I said, baby, I just wanted to try something new and see if it's gonna work. And I see that
It is working. It's
actually
working
had-
right now.
Okay, so let's go back to sleep.
I-
Where's my bonnet? Where did you put it?
What you mean where's your bonnet? Yeah, I don't. Baby.
Can you be my pillow today?
Huh?
Can you be my pillow?
Baby, you don't see what time is it? Mama, it's time to get up anyway. Come on. Come on. I'm ready.
Can you be my pillow?
Baby, I want some. Baby, I want some.
Oh!
Babe,
He needs some milk.
you.
I'm here. You have me. Like you literally.
Girl, you ain't, bruh. You ain't no damn baby. You know what I want. Come on, man. Come on.
Can I be honest with you?
Be honest with for what? Shit. Ain't nothing to be honest now. I saw everything. I saw everything. Come on. Hmm?
You can go back to sleep.
Go. I told you I'm not sleeping. You smell my mouth?
No,
It's not hot.
it's good.
It's good?
Yeah,
Then we should be good. Let's get to it.
but I'm trying to tell you something, though.
Yeah, what you trying to tell me? You tell me you going back to sleep, and
Yeah.
I say no.
Cause it's a prank. That's why I'm going back to sleep.
It's a what?
A prank.
A prank? What you mean it's a prank? We're in the bed.
I know.
Okay, you're my wife. What you mean it's a prank, girl?
Basically, I was just doing some ratchet dances. Just,
Ratchet?
Yes.
That shit was beautiful. I ain't no damn ratchet. I see that shit.
I seen it on YouTube and I wanted to try it on you. And
That shit was jiggling, bitch.
really.
Mm. Come on.
Wait, but I'm recording, so
You recording?
yeah. So.
You doing this shit, bitch.
Cause it's a prank.
What you mean recording? I'm about to brush my teeth anyway. Fuck it, bro. You playing too much.
You mad? Wait for me. Let's come on. We have to fix the bed.
No.
Why? Oh my gosh, you guys. Look, he messed up my hair. I don't know what he's mad for, you know, but I feel like I should call him up in here. Babe, you wanna come in here and say hi? Our supporters. Alright, fine. But anyways, you guys, that's the end of the video. Let me know if I got you good, okay? Because I feel like I did a good job, okay? So, if you guys enjoyed this video, you already know what? I can't even talk. If you guys enjoyed this video, you already know what to do. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, comment down below, Timnia, and thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye.